Now let us study about few facts about the image found by the mirror, plane mirror. Problems can also be there on depending on this topic. Suppose this is a plane mirror, right? And we are standing in front of the mirror at some distance. Fine. We are standing in front of the mirror, suppose at 5 centimeter distance in front of the mirror. Then image of this person will be formed exactly at 5 centimeter back side of the mirror. Image we have to draw by dotted line. So this is the image of this person. Suppose the object was initially at A position, image is formed at A dash. Fine. Now suppose this person shift forward 1 centimeter distance. Now this distance is 4 centimeter. Then according to rule, what does it say? That image of this person will also shift this side, so that the distance between mirror and the image should be same as that of the object and mirror. Now once again, see, object initially was standing here, person was initially standing here. The image of this person was formed at this position. Exactly, if the object is standing at 5 centimeter in front of the mirror, image is formed 5 centimeter at the back side of the mirror. Now object shift forward towards the mirror 1 centimeter. That means distance between mirror and the person becomes 4 centimeter. Now according to rule, that whatever distance between the object and mirror is there, same distance should be between image and mirror. That means distance between image and mirror will also become 4 centimeter only. Fine. Now the question can be of two types. Question 1 can be there, that if the person shift forward or backward, whatever, as compared to mirror. The first question can be, what will be the distance between image and mirror? And second question can be that what will be the distance between image and object? Image and object. So these two questions can be there depending upon same problem. When we are talking about what will be the distance between image and the mirror after the person shift 1 centimeter in front of the mirror, then image also shift 1 centimeter, then distance between this image and mirror will become 4 centimeter. That means answer of this question will be 4 centimeter. But when he is asking what is the distance between image and object, then distance between image and object will be equal to 8 centimeter. That means if the person has shifted 1 step, then distance between image and object will decrease 2 steps, by 2 steps. If this person has shifted 1 centimeter, image also has shifted 1 centimeter, then the distance between these two things has been reduced by 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Initially the distance was 10 centimeter, now the distance has become 8 centimeter between the image and object. So clearly we can say whatever the change in position of the object will be there with respect to mirror, the change in position of the image with respect to mirror will be same as that of object, but change in position of image with respect to object will be twice. That means answer of this should be 8 centimeter. Earlier it was 10 centimeter, now it is 8 centimeter. This same case we can consider for the speeds also. Suppose this is a mirror. This is a mirror. A person is there. This is the image of the person. Fine. Now if suppose this object starts running towards the mirror with speed 2 meters per second. Fine. Object is now running towards the mirror with speed 2 meters per second. Now the image also would be running towards the mirror with 2 meters per second. Now here again question can be of two types. Question 1, what is the speed of image with respect to mirror? Speed of image with respect to mirror will be 2 meters per second only. But when it is asked that what is the speed of image with respect to the person, in that case speed will increase. Fine. First question can be speed of image with respect to mirror, and question 2 can be speed of image with respect to object. Answer of first question will be 2 meters per second only. Answer of second question will be 4 meters per second only. Twice. Whatever the difference object will show, image will show twice with respect to object. Fine.